Your vehicles are often the first thing a customer sees when you arrive at the worksite. State F-160 Car and Truck Wash is the perfect way to make a great first impression. F-160 Car and Truck Wash contains special dispersing agents to hold dirt and suspension until rinsed away. This effective formula reliably removes soil, grease, gas, stains, oil, bugs, sludge, and other deposits from car and truck surfaces. It is safe for use on plastic, paint, glass, and chrome. F-160, when dispensed through a State One Solution chemical dilution system, will provide a consistent, clean sheen every time, saving you money by using just the right amount of product and having your car and truck wash go a long way. Use F-160 Car and Truck Wash to clean cars, trucks, school buses, and all other vehicles. It can be sprayed, sponged, or brushed on soiled surfaces. For best application, pair with the One Solution Smart Foamer. Make State F-160 Car and Truck Wash a part of your vehicle care routine. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.